Hi, good morning. I'm Michael Bersalina. So, currently we are Parañaque City. So, one of our process being assessed in Pico International is to empower all our clients to do their business. So, part of this, we will be doing training for them to learn on how to install AAC blocks. And from that point onwards, we will give them a chance to do their own business. So, ganito kami sa EcoBlock. Lahat ng kasama namin ay ginagawa namin parang business partner at kasama namin sila. Gusto mo matuto? Tara, sumama ka.